BLT. No, Blu-ray. Okay, so I just put that point in there too. Oh my gosh, I put that point in there so you'll know. We are talking about Pulp Fiction. We are in the second hour of the morning mood, and I'm just slow walking this thing, enjoying the pomp and circumstance of all the, excuse me, the things that the cult classic has to offer. I'm drinking water. Y'all probably like, yeah, right. Well, believe what you want. So I finished reading by way of wikipedia.com the last paragraph in the summary section. We are finished with the summary portion, and now they are even breaking it down with the cast. As I glance over my notes, I don't think I forgot anything. I will pull up right now from, I think it's called Genius, where you can get the lyrics to songs and such like that. I'm going to pull up the Crown Royale. Well, the Royale with cheese lyrics or dialogue. I have to say it in this video because I'm actually talking about Pulp Fiction. Let me pull this up. I want to get that from, yep, here it is, Genius. This is the one I'm going with right now. So I read this in the Whopper versus Burger, the Whopper versus Big Mac, and I'm going to read it again now. If you go to Genius, there is actually Crown Royale with cheese dialogue. It is the famous dialogue in Pulp Fiction where the two of them simply discuss the miracles of a cheeseburger. I'll have you know, I need this box to get out of my way so I can scroll. Y'all, this website is good, but it has so many pop-ups. Let me close this window down. Okay, so let me let you know a fun fact before I read that portion, if it will allow me. I tell you, stuff shows up different. Royale with Cheese is track number 3 on the Pulp Fiction motion movie soundtrack. Once again, Royale with Cheese, the dialogue is it's track 3 on the motion movie soundtrack. That's how epic this is. So let me get back up here. I will have to censor some of the things, but for a roundabout way, this is what they were saying. Let me find it here. Let me get back up here. Let's go, let's go. All right. Okay, here goes. Vincent. All right, you can walk into a movie theater in Amsterdam and buy a beer. And I don't mean just like no paper cup. I'm talking about a glass of beer. And in Paris, you can buy a beer at McDonald's. And you know what they call a quarter pounder with cheese in Paris? Jules. They don't call it a quarter pounder with cheese. Vincent, no. They got the metric system there. They wouldn't know what the F a quarter pounder is. Jules. Then what do they call it? Vincent, they call it Royale with cheese. Jules, Royale with cheese. What do they call the Big Mac? Vincent, Big Mac's a Big Mac, but they call it Le Big Mac. Jules, Le Big Mac. What do they call a Whopper? Vincent, I don't know. I didn't get into a Burger King, but you know what they put on French fries in Holland instead of ketchup? Jules, what? Vincent, mayonnaise. Jules, well, GD! I highly recommend if you watch Pulp Fiction, you do watch that scene where they talk about the cheeseburger and the